Episode 1. The Strange Noise. Okay, so last night, I was just chilling in my apartment, right? Scrolling through my phone like usual, and suddenly, I hear this weird noise from next door. I mean, it was loud. At first, I thought, nah, it's just the pipes or something. But then it happens again, and louder. So, I get up, because, I could check it out, right? I peek through the peephole, and it's dead silent now. But right when I think it's all in my head, BM, there's this huge crash from next door. My heart literally jumped out of my chest. I knew right then, I had to see what was going on. To be continued.